Hello everyone. How is everything? We must try to be together in the family, to be in home, just to try to avoid this virus, and in order to keep and preserve our health, we better stay in home. Meantime, well, we just sleep late, wake up late, have some time with the family, trying to spend a good time. Usually we travel a lot. We would try always to show the best of our Mayan area, and we always do our best to show you some of our gastronomy, our archaeology sites, our people, show you what's the real Yucatan, what's the real Mexico, trying to show you the way of life of the people, trying to show you what's the real Mexico, with all these smells, colors. The gastronomy is one of my favorite parts of my duty. I really love to cook, and spending good times on the market, choosing the best vegetables, the best fruits, and also taste, which is the best part. But also archaeology it's something that I really love. Well, now I'm really sweating because I'm on the kitchen right now, and in Merida, Yucatan. I'm not in my hometown. Suddenly, I'm not in Yaxcopoil because, I must stay in home. I'm living here in the city. But in the meantime, we are spending some good times in home. We have probably 95 degrees right now. That's the reason why I'm a little bit sweating, but I'm taking care of not to contaminate my vegetables and all my ingredients for the dish of today. Well, today's Sunday. I slept like 3 o'clock in the morning and watching a movie, and then we were having a fun time last night. And then we have our traditional breakfast. Well, traditional breakfast on Sunday, it is the cochinita pibil. So we have some tacos and some of these tortas. Cochinita pibil, which was so delicious, and this is part of our Sunday. And then now I'm on duty to prepare the lunch. The lunch for today is going to be lentils. I already have some lentils, some herbs to give a flavor. I already have pork, some pieces of pork inside, and epazote, which is a local leaf to give a better flavor. And then I already have some sour orange for the ensalada, or we are going to make some salsa. There is the epazote. This is the epazote. Here I have cilantro. Then I have oregano. That's like that. I'm sure. I think it's oregano. Then I have the chorizos, potatoes, chayotes, onions, lemons, tomatoes, carrot, and the pumpkin. So that's going to be the complement of my dish of today, lentils. So this is the best way to spend our quarantine in home, and trying to do our best. So it's almost I think more than 40 more minutes, and then the lunch will be ready. So this is the dish of today, of Sunday, lentils.